welcome back to my channel. It's Fagaye, and today this is going to be a morning routine and a mini little hijab tutorial because like we're all stuck in the house because of coronavirus. So it's like, why not make a video of what is my morning routine and what would be my morning routine if we had school. Well, anyways, let's get started. So mind this, make sure to brush your tongue, because that's nasty. You want a nice fresh crack. So the products I use on my face is from Fab Cosmetics First Aid Beauty. They're really good. This is what I have. I got it from this like, you know the packs that they sell in Sephora that has like several products for like less, you know? It had more, but the rest ran out, and I lost the lip balm thingy that it came with. I don't know where it went. Rest in peace. But anyways, pretty good for my skin. Mind you, I have really sensitive skin. My nose is oily, prone to whiteheads, but dry, but really sensitive. Really sensitive. So yeah, I just wet my face. Make sure it's damp. And after my face is damp, oh my god, I look like an egg. After I'm sure my face is damp, I take some soap, some of the cleanser, put it on my fingers, and am I running out? Oh, yeah, that was a lot. I did not need all of that. Whatever. It's a small top. It's a small top. Okay. Now I just rub it in my face. Like so. Now I'm gonna wash my face out. Like I'm in a bag. Ta-ta. I literally had soap on my hijab. I'm gonna use the Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum on my face. So normally after I wash my face, I dry it and then I just put this on like right after. So just pump on my face and then distribute some to the other side and just rub it in. Just take some moisturizer. This is the Ultra Repair Cream. Trust me, this is some really good stuff right here. This, I know you know it's not like sanitary to put your face in your moisturizer, but I'm gonna keep doing it. Ooh. But anyways, like it really helps for, because my skin, it acts up a lot. Spin it, take it on relax. See? My face is all, my bags are gonna be there. They might be gone in a minute, in a while. But for now, they're gonna be there. Cause I literally just woke up-ish, in a way. Anyway, okay. Spin it, take it on, relax. Period. Skin looking clean. Breath fresh. Teeth white. This is how you do it. A lot of people ask me, Fagaye, how you get your teeth so white? Just brush your teeth. That's all I do. Just use some toothpaste, scrub. That's how you do it. After I do all of that, I just I take some Blistex. We love Blistex. Mine is cracked over here, but oh well. Honestly, this is the longest I've lasted with a Blistex without losing it or something like that. Little spoon type thingy, and then you just flick in just a little bit. Yeah, it's probably not sanitary, so like use it directly and then just take it. But I'm the only one who uses it, so I really don't care. Quickly, under my hijab, I have this hijab cap. So it's just like a little hat type thing. You just slide it on like this, and that's it. And if you have hair, braids, anything, pick them up, put it through the hole. If you have a bun, just put it to the hole, and that's it. That's that. It's really simple. So this is the color we're going to wear. I'm to clip down here, and I use this pin. You can find these at any beauty supply store and stuff. 99-cent store. It's those pins, you know, the ones that be in the little wheel that has all the different colors. I get my hijabs from AliExpress, and I also get some of them from this other hijab brand. The rest of my hijabs from the Veiled collection. Some I don't get from, will you, please? The Veiled collection. This is the card that came with the hijab. Well, anyways, some of my hijabs I get from Senegal, where I'm from. You know the vibes. Because it's from a family member, so that's on period. I should not be paying expensive amount. I like to have this side to have the shortest amount, and this side to have the longest amount. This is my left, and this is my right. And I normally take a little bit. I take a little bit. Oh, damn, I'm about to hurt myself. I take a little bit like this. Pick it up, fold it like that, because I'm the type of person who does my hijab with a peak. Yo, I literally cannot see. I'm in at the middle, right under my chin over here. Then I take a little piece over here because I want a little crease. I want it to fold in over there, so I take some, I bring it in over here, and I do the same thing on this side, bring it in over here. And then I want to make sure that the way I'm holding it in, because I'm getting it ready to be clipped together, and I don't want to make it too tight, because when you make it too tight, you literally cannot breathe to the day. Like, you're literally like so pardon me, you have to make sure it's not too tight. I take my pin, I open it. I love these pins because they don't snap, because when I first started, I would use safety pins. 1, you can see them. 2, they were very uncomfortable. 3, sometimes it would just like, and then it's just like right there on your neck. Over here, the pin in, hold on the other side, and then check if it's too loose, because you're gonna be outside the whole day like this. Okay, this is fine. You see how this side is shorter than this side? I like to keep this side in because most of the time I tuck it in into my shirt, like it just goes in like this, and then yeah. Okay. Now the peak is more subtle. Okay, and then afterwards, you see, you're still gonna see the pin. I want to slightly hide the pin, so I take like a little bit of material right after the pin, and that's where I start. That's where I grab, like up to here, and then I go up and around. Okay, I like to put mine like over there, because this fold you're going to see, so the way I put the fold, I want it in a way that looks nice and presentable, you know. And oh, FYI, I'm not a person who wears a bun on my hijab, but you can wear your bun on your hijab. It's the same thing. It's just that, like, you know, work around your bun. Just like that. Just like that. And you can do it too. Period. Nah, like, I would love, I hope this helps someone, you know, because there's a lot of girls who want to start wearing the hijab, but they don't know how to do it for them. And it's like, the thing about wearing a hijab, it really goes with you, what you're comfortable with, you know, because this is something you wear outside all the time, your style, all of that, because there's different styles for different fits. Like, I can't put my hijab like this or wear a chiffon type material with every type of outfit, because it's like, it doesn't go together. It's type weird. Like, you know, switch it up on what type of materials you're comfortable with, test it out. You're gonna look, not, well, I look bad. Most people look bad when they start. You're gonna look bad when you start off, because like, you're getting used to it, but then after a while, you know, you get, you know what type of materials for you, what type of styles for your face shape, all of that, and just work around it. And that's it. Like, now if I step outside, my neck is out, I feel all the breeze on my neck, all the breeze. Okay, so now it's time for me. I'm just gonna do my makeup pretty easily, lightly, nothing's too much or whatever, because this is not a makeup tutorial. My hijab on, my little black rib top, little sweats from Urban, it's from what about? And little socks. Don't worry about my slides, but pew 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 pew.